Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. I'm doing well too, but I know I haven't been posting much of organizational and planning type of videos. It has been exactly 1 month since I think I last posted something like that. I'm not exactly sure, but the reason for not posting that kind of videos is I often question whether I am qualified enough to teach other people how to be organized and good planners and how to document their success and achieve their goals. I usually track all my activities. I have been doing that since January 1st of 2024. So it has been a very humbling and a very eye-opening experience for me. I have shared that on my previous organizational videos on how I tracked my year so far. So today is September 10th of 2024. Today is the 254th day of the year. We have little more than 100 days to go. I feel like September flew by so fast and I feel like I haven't achieved all my goals. But I have achieved some of that. I know if you are someone like me, if you are someone part of the general public, you know that no matter how many goals we set, we tend to not be consistent and not persist, and we lack motivation by this time of the year because when we look back, we feel like we haven't really achieved our goals. So we feel discouraged. We question whether we are able to achieve our goals by the end of the year. But if we really consider that 100 days is more than enough to change your life, 100 days, forget 100 days, even 30 days is more than enough to turn around your life and direct your life in efficient and a goal-oriented path. If we plan, track and document our plans and goals and activities. That is exactly what I'm going to teach you today. I know I'm not very good at that, but I'm sharing what I have learned. So please bear with me. I know this is not something that everyone do. I know most of you probably have your own plans and your own way of documenting things. Most of those templates and ways of documenting and tracking your goals is probably better than mine. So make sure you share your own experiences in the comment section and make sure you are communicating with me, because I have linked my email address in the about section of the YouTube channel. So make sure you share your goals and your plans, and please attach your documents, templates, so I can inspire from you. This is a very small attempt to share my way of documenting things, and it is okay if you have any positive feedbacks or negative feedbacks. That is totally okay. Please make sure you also watch my previous video about how I tracked my year so far. It is actually pretty good. I'm impressed by myself. I'm actually impressed with my ability to track things. This is the first time I did that. I wish I started doing that sooner, but I mean, it is better than never. So this is a very small way of tracking the rest of the year without actually putting so much pressure on yourself, and you can make sure you get your things done by using this method. It is not a revolutionary method, and make sure you also watch my previous videos because I have shared better ways of documenting, but this is a very stress-free, very light-hearted way of doing that. So it is not much, but I hope you pay attention to that and share your goals with me too. So to do that, you actually need a piece of paper and a pen. I will give you time to do that. Make sure you are doing that with me, so we are all doing that together, and so we can do that as a community. So to do that, you have to be very clear about the things you want. Like I am showing right now, you have to come up with tasks that you should do daily to achieve your goals. So for example, let's say you need to lose weight, you need to tone your body, you need to increase the fitness of your body, so you will have to do exercises for that, something like that. First write down your ultimate final goal and write down the things you need to do that. I'm just writing some random things, like some things I do. Reading, walking is the type of exercise I do, and anything, like if you don't remember to drink water, you can write drink water, it is important for your fitness journey, like that. So then write down the number of days, remaining days. Today is the 254th day, and we have 366 days for this year. So it is December 31st and today is September 10th. So make sure you write all the days. I didn't bother writing everything because I have planned that separately in my own journal. So write down the tasks. You don't have to write down the tasks here, just name them like A, B, C, D, E, F, O, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do that, and make sure you tick everything you do daily. You don't have to pressure yourself to do all these things, but you will get an idea whether you are continuing on the correct path, so you can redirect your goals and your daily activities so that you can achieve your final goals. So I hope this video helped you in at least in a very small way. I'm so grateful for tuning into my channel, and please keep watching all my videos, and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.